Social media presents both benefits and drawbacks.
Public speaking is one of the most valuable skills that you can develop.
And etc. It also offers negative aspects like
Social media has both positive and negative effects. Social media is of two types, good and bad. Media is good or bad. Social media is good because it gives us information. It helps to connect with others. It allows quick and global communication.
communication is actually a very big deal, even if it sounds boring.
Not only does boost our confidence, but it also opens the doors to new opportunities. So don't be afraid to take this step. Share your voice and play your mark. The sooner you start, the sooner you will reap the rewards.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.